How to make money on YouTube without making videos, step by step. Have you ever wondered how to make money on YouTube without ever picking up a camera? It's possible. In this video, we'll dive into the concept of earning money on YouTube without filming videos. Imagine the benefits of generating passive income while enjoying content creation from the sidelines. Stay tuned as we reveal the step-by-step process to follow, unlocking the secrets to success in the world of YouTube monetization. To identify lucrative niches for YouTube channels without creating original videos, start by researching trending topics and keywords using tools like Google Trends and Keyword Planner. Analyze competitors' channels to understand successful content themes and audience engagement. Select niches with high demand but low competition to maximize monetization opportunities and increase your chances of success in the competitive world of YouTube content creation. When compiling and editing existing videos to create engaging content for your chosen niche, utilize video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro for seamless editing. Add value to the content by providing commentary, insights, or compilations that enhance the viewer experience. Ensure that the curated content is relevant, high quality, and aligns with the chosen niche to maintain viewer interest and engagement. To maximize earnings from YouTube videos without filming, implement strategies such as enabling monetization features like ads, memberships, and merchandise on your channel. Focus on increasing watch time, engagement, and click-through rates to boost revenue potential. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content, or explore affiliate marketing opportunities to further monetize your channel and increase your income streams. By strategically optimizing for monetization, you can unlock the full earning potential of your YouTube content. Interact with viewers to cultivate a loyal audience for your YouTube channel by responding to comments, messages, and feedback to create a sense of community. Encourage audience engagement by prompting likes, shares, and subscriptions in your videos. Organize giveaways, contests, or live sessions to further engage with your audience and strengthen the connection with your viewers. By actively building audience engagement, you can foster a dedicated community of supporters for your channel. To expand income opportunities beyond YouTube ad revenue, explore additional ways to generate income. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, courses, or presets tailored to your niche audience. Utilize crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi for fan support and community engagement. Seek out opportunities for brand partnerships, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing deals to further diversify your revenue streams and maximize your earning potential outside of traditional ad revenue on YouTube. In conclusion, we've explored the exciting world of making money on YouTube without creating videos. From identifying profitable niches to optimizing for monetization and building audience engagement, the possibilities are endless. Remember the benefits of passive income and the potential for success in this unique approach. Take action by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video to support our channel. Dive deeper into related content for more insights and tips on maximizing your YouTube earnings.